Sorry about the wind. Taking it along my greenhouse here. I'm walking along. There's the garden sign. Sweet. The greenhouse. Pots, but it's very tight. I just want to show you where I'm at. Voila! Yeah, that's right. That's a motor that's going to run my wall, which I'll give you a look underneath. This is what from the inside is. I'm going to walk you around. It's a little windy out. Well, it's Texas. Some wind. House. But listen to the fan. Oh yeah. Doors, which I'm processed. There's the other side. It was about 126 to 130, I'm not sure, when I got home from work today at 6:15. I turned the water wall on. I'm now at 86 degrees inside because of this wall. Pretty sweet. I just turned it on. I still have a little bit of water. If you actually touch it, your hands will get wet like water. Okay. If you don't touch it, but I do have one spot. They shorted me one peg. There it is. Otherwise, hey, that's how much water comes through it. This is just paradise coming together.